Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and welcome back to my space, literally. If you're anything like me, your room is your sanctuary, your vibe hub, the one place where your personality can go full maximalist without judgment. Lately, I've been craving a refresh, something fun, easy, and runner-friendly that doesn't involve paint or permission from my mom. That's when I stumbled upon the glow in the dark wall collage kit, and let's just say, it looked way too good to be true. I mean, glow in the dark and removable? For under 25 bucks, I was skeptical, but after seeing it all over TikTok and Instagram, I had to see if it was actually worth the hype. So I grabbed one, clear my schedule, and dove in, no glue, no mess, just pure sticker chaos waiting to happen. I didn't know what to expect, but I was ready to find out if this was just another trendy gimmick or the ultimate room upgrade for teens who love change as much as I do. Okay, so I just got this glow in the dark wall collage kit for my birthday, and honestly, it was such a cute surprise. At first, I was like, is this just another one of those basic sticker sets? But no, it's way more fun than that. There are over 1,000 stickers, which sounds kind of insane, but when you start going through them, you realize how much variety there actually is. You've got stars, moons, hearts, little motivational quotes like dream big and stay weird, and even some trendy stuff like cassette tapes and retro cameras. It's like walking into a dreamy teenage bedroom from a TikTok aesthetic video. I immediately wanted to clear a whole wall in my room just so I could go all out and make it my own little collage masterpiece. It's definitely not just for little kids. This feels totally age-appropriate for teens who want to add some personality to their space without painting or doing any permanent stuff that might get your parents mad. One thing I was really worried about, okay, full honesty here, was whether these would damage my walls. Like, I've tried removable wallpaper before, and it left this weird sticky mess that took forever to clean. But these? So far, so good. I've been putting them up for a few days now, moving some around when I changed my mind because, duh, decorating is a mood, and when I took one down to reposition it, there was no residue or peeling paint. That's a major win in my book. Plus, they stick really well but still come off cleanly, which is perfect if you're renting or if your parents are strict about room changes. I even put some on my closet doors and ceiling above my bed, don't judge, it's a vibe, and they haven't fallen off. The durability is legit. Some stickers are on corners or edges where they get bumped and they're still holding up. Definitely built to last through late night hangouts and impromptu dance parties. So here's the part where I'm going to be real. This is supposed to glow in the dark, right? That's literally in the name. And, okay, yeah, it does, but it's not, like, super bright or anything. I turned off my lights the first night, excited to see my room transform into a galaxy of glowy stickers. And it was more like a faint whisper of glow. Like, if your eyes aren't totally adjusted to the dark, you might miss it. I had to wait like a full minute with zero light before I could even see the stars and moons faintly glowing. It's not a total flop, but definitely not as intense as I imagined. I've seen those glow-in-the-dark stars that look like mini planets, but these are more subtle. Still kind of cool though, especially the little stars on my ceiling. When I'm lying in bed trying to fall asleep, it's actually really calming. So, minor glow equals slight disappointment, but still kinda dreamy. I'd say it adds ambience more than actual visibility. The best part about this whole kit is how customizable it is. You're not stuck with a set pattern or layout. You literally get to design your own vibe. I teamed up with my best friend, and we spent an entire Saturday just playing sticker artist. We made a little constellation theme in one corner, then went super chaotic with random quotes and funky shapes near my mirror. It feels personal, you know? Not like something you'd see in every other teen's room. And honestly, it gave us something fun to do that didn't involve staring at our phones. We even took pics before and after to see the transformation, and it's wild how much of a difference it makes. My room went from meh to Instagram worthy in like 3 hours. I can already imagine switching up the design when I get bored, maybe a retro theme next. The possibilities feel endless, and that's what makes it worth the $21 IMO. I've had other sticker sets before, and most of them were either too small, not sticky enough, or just kind of forgettable. But this one actually feels like a real upgrade. The material is thicker than cheap vinyl, so it doesn't wrinkle or bubble when you apply it. And the designs? So on trend. It's not too childish, not too try-hard edgy, just that sweet spot of being fun and expressive. I even use some of the smaller ones on my laptop and water bottle because why not? And they held up great. I was worried they'd peel off with daily use. But nope. They're holding strong even after being in my backpack. Also, there are enough duplicates of the popular stickers like the smiley faces and clouds that you don't have to stress about using them all in one spot. You can spread the joy across multiple walls or save some for later projects. Another thing I didn't expect, how much it would actually change the mood of my room. Before it felt kind of flat, white walls, same old posters. Now it feels like me. There's color, there's texture, there's little inside jokes in the quotes that only my friends would get. I had a sleepover last weekend, and all my friends wanted to help rearrange some stickers and add their own touches. We put glowy stars around the light switch so we wouldn't trip at night, and made a little snack zone sign with stickers near my mini fridge. It turned into such a fun bonding thing. Honestly, this isn't just room decor, it's an activity. Perfect for birthdays, sleepovers, or just a lazy weekend when you want to make your space feel fresh without spending a ton. Overall, I'd say this wall collage kit is a solid buy, especially if you're looking for something creative and affordable. Yeah, the glow isn't super intense, but the design variety, ease of use, and wall-safe adhesive make up for it. It's not just for little kids. It works perfectly for teens who want to express themselves without committing to paint or wallpaper. I love that I can refresh my room's look whenever I want, and it makes my space feel cozier and more mine. For 21 bucks, it's given me days of fun and a room I actually don't hate being in. Would I recommend it? 100%, especially as a gift. I'm already thinking about getting one for my cousin's birthday because I know she'd go crazy for it. It's cute, it's fun, and it actually works. What more could you want? If this review helped you shine a light on your next room glow up, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's make every wall story worth sticking to. Hit that button so we can keep sharing the cutest finds together. Stay bright, stay weird, and I'll see you in the next one. Sparkles.